Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start. चुपचाप बाहर आओ. Come out quietly. Come out quietly. मुझसे वहाँ मिलो. Meet me there. Meet me there. मेरी फोटो खींच दो. Take my picture. Take my picture. हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. बहाने बनाना बंद करो. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. मिलते रहना. Stay in touch. Stay in touch. मुझसे दूर रहो. Get me off. Get me off. जल्दी घर आना. Come home early. Come home early. एक बार और कोशिश करो. Try once again. Try once again. वह ठीक हो रहा है. He is recovering. He is recovering. सबके अपने अपने राज होते हैं. Everyone has secrets. Everyone has secrets. थोड़ा आराम कर लो. Get some rest. Get some rest. इसे गर्म कर दो. Heat it up. Heat it up. इसे सीधा करो. Turn it down. Turn it down. अब मुझे याद आया. Now I remember. Now I remember. मुझे और चाहिए. I want more. I want more. अपने पीछे देखो. Look behind you. Look behind you. किसी को चोट नहीं लगी. Nobody got injured. Nobody got injured. वहाँ खड़े हो जाओ. Stand over there. Stand over there. अपनी आवाज़ नीचे करो. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. कोई भी भाग ले सकता है. Anyone can participate. Anyone can participate. वे आ रहे हैं. They are coming. They are coming. बस चले जाओ. Just go away. Just go away. ये वाला ले लो. Take this one. Take this one. जल्दी मिलते हैं. See you soon. See you soon. इसे बंद करो. Shut it off. Shut it off. सब अच्छा है. All is well. All is well. समय खत्म. Time is up. Time is up. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready quickly. Get ready quickly. उन्हें और दिखाओ. Show them more. Show them more. तुम भाग्यशाली हो. You are lucky. You are lucky. कोई नहीं बोल रहा है. Nobody is speaking. Nobody is speaking. एक कोशिश करो. Make an effort. Make an effort. एक बार ही काफ़ी था. Once was enough. Once was enough. किसी के पास जाओ. Go to somebody. Go to somebody. किसी से बात करो. Talk to somebody. Talk to somebody. बहुत सारे लोग चले गए. Many people left. Many people left. फर्श पर झाड़ू लगा दो. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. कतार में लग जाओ. Get in line. Get in line. सबकी बोलती बंद हो गई. Everyone was speechless. Everyone was speechless. मुझे कोई नहीं समझता. Nobody understand me. Nobody understand me. वापस बाहर जाओ. Go back outside. Go back outside. उन्हें सब बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. मेरे लिए पानी ले आओ. Get me water. Get me water. अपनी किताब ले आओ. Get your book. Get your book. किसी ने मुझे बुलाया. Somebody called me. Somebody called me. राहुल तेज दौड़ता है. राहुल runs fast. राहुल runs fast. हर कोई खास है. Everyone is unique. Everyone is unique. कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं था. Nothing was difficult. Nothing was difficult. कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. रहने दो. Let it be. Let it be. इसे ध्यान से पढ़ो. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. केवल एक लो. Take only one. Take only one. सभी को जाना चाहिए. Everyone must go. Everyone must go. सबने ऐसा कहा. Everybody said so. Everybody said so. मैं व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy. I am busy. एक मेरे लिए खरीद लो. Buy me one. Buy me one. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Do you know? क्या मैं गलत था? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? मैं घर में अकेला हूँ. I am alone at home. I am alone at home. मुझे तुम्हारी फिक्र है. I care about you. I care about you. मैं नहीं मानता. I don't believe. I don't believe. मैं तुमसे लंबा हूँ. I am taller than you. I am taller than you. हम रास्ता भटक गए हैं. We have lost our way. We have lost our way. तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? क्या यह सच है? Is it true? Is it true? बिस्तर पर बैठो. Sit on the bed. Sit on the bed. बात क्या है? What is the matter? What is the matter? किसी की मत सुनो. Don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to anyone. देर मत लगाना. Don't be late. Don't be late. खाना खत्म करो. Finish your food. Finish your food. इसे वहाँ रख दो. Keep it there. Keep it there. उसे बोलने दो. Let him speak. Let him speak. कैसे आना हुआ? How? What brings you here? What brings you here? मैंने उसे कहीं देखा है. I have seen him somewhere. I have seen him somewhere. जो होगा होगा. Whatever will be will be. Whatever will be will be. मेरी कोई इच्छा नहीं है. I have no wish. I have no wish. तुम्हें इसकी आदत हो जाएगी. You will be used to it. You will be used to it. कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. There is no point. There is no point. वहाँ जाना बेकार है. It's useless to go there. It's useless to go there. आपको यह कैसे मिला? How did you find this? How did you find this? ये वाला तुम्हारा है. This one is yours. This one is yours. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा. I thought once again. I thought once again. आपको शांत रहना होगा. You need to remain calm. You need to remain calm. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. कार रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. मेरी शर्ट को इस्त्री करो. Iron my shirt. Iron my shirt. काम से कम एक बार तो आओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. कमरे में कोई नहीं है. There is nobody in the room. There is nobody in the room. क्या तुम मुझे कॉल कर सकते हो? Can you call me? Can you call me? क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you mad? Are you mad? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? मेरा मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. संतरा छील दो. Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange. सिर पर तेल लगा लो. Apply the oil on the hair. Apply the oil on the hair. कार में बैठ जाओ. Get in the car. Get in the car. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am getting cold. I am getting cold. बिस्तर सही कर लो. Make the bed. Make the bed. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. हवा बंद है. The wind is still. The wind is still. खाना लगा दो. Serve the food. Serve the food. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? मेरी शर्ट धो दो. Wash my shirt. Wash my shirt. शाबाश. Well done. Well done. मैंने तुम्हें रंगे हाथ पकड़ा. I caught you red-handed. I caught you red-handed. जैसा आपको पसंद. As you like. As you like. दूसरों को मत बताना. Don't tell others. Don't tell others. दरवाजे को थोड़ा खुला रहने दो. Keep the door slightly open. Keep the door slightly open. आज मेरा पेट खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. मैं अपनी बहन को हमेशा खुश देखना चाहता हूँ. I always want to see my sister happy. I always want to see my sister happy. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. मैंने अपना वादा निभाया. I kept my promise. I kept my promise. मैं तुम्हारे पक्ष में हूँ. I am on your side. I am on your side. नाखून काटने वाला कहाँ है? Where is the nail cutter? Where is the nail cutter? गर्मियाँ शुरू होने वाली है. Summers are about to start. Summers are about to start. जल्दी से नीचे आओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. मुझे कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't mind at all. I don't mind at all. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. I have no objection. I have no objection. मैं थकान महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. उसे जाने क्यों दिया तुमने? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? ज़्यादा टीवी मत देखो. Don't watch too much TV. Don't watch too much TV. फ्रिज खराब हो गया है. Fridge is not working. Fridge is not working. मुझे भूख नहीं लगी. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. मैं अभी नहीं खाऊंगा. I will not eat now. I will not eat now. मुझे 50 रुपये चाहिए. I want 50 rupees. I want 50 rupees. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. आज नीली शर्ट पहनो. Put on the blue shirt today. Put on the blue shirt today. मुझे तुमसे कुछ काम है. I have some work for you. I have some work for you. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? कोई आया है. Someone has come. Someone has come. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? देर हो रही है. It's getting late.